Simple columnar epithelium. A great place to see that is in the intestinal tract. And so this is a cross section of a small intestine. This is the outside with the smooth muscle that helps move your food along through the intestines. This is the middle of the intestinal tract, or the lumen, and that's where the food goes. That's where the food's digested and absorbed. So we need a better look at these, at the inside of that area. Ooh, so here we go. And I want to go down in, where is it? Here? This looks good. You can get a sense of these finger-like projections through here. That increases the surface area of your intestinal tract. So it's, your intestines, as you know, are pretty long anyway. And then the inside area for absorption is thrown up into these little hills. These are more like stalactites and stalagmites. You think about this as a three-dimensional structure. So let's take a look in at these and see what this tissue looks like. Ooh, come on, it's not that hard to do. And ooh, that looks like a pretty good spot right there. Here we go. All right, so lining or covering, I guess, this each little finger is a layer of simple columnar epithelium. This is the basement membrane. Up here would be the basement membrane. And then this, the other side, so one side of the cells adheres to that basement membrane. The other side, the apical side, sticks out onto a body surface, in this case, the inside of the intestinal tract. And this is thrown up in even more little ridges called microvilli, so that is increasing the surface area even more so that you can absorb your food. I didn't mean to do whatever I just did there. All right, so here we go. This is, that's not where I was. This is where I was. All right, so here is a cell, here is a cell, here is a cell, here is a cell. Here's the nucleus, and you'll notice these nuclei are sort of oval shaped. Because these cells are so thin, they're tall and thin, columnar shaped. The nucleus doesn't have a lot of room to expand, and so it's forced into this oval shape. Scattered throughout here, you'll see these other cells, and those are, of course, goblet cells that are secreting mucus into the center of your intestinal tract to help the food move along. So, basement membrane, apical side, single layer of tall, thin cells, and that is simple columnar epithelium. And gotta be